Hi guys, today we are going to make banana muffins. Recipes here, I'll give you a detailed recipe. What we have here is sugar, banana, all-purpose flour, we call it maida. This is fresh cream. You can take eggs also. This is vanilla essence, some oil, some milk, cinnamon powder and baking soda. Let's begin. First we are gonna take our bananas. Bananas has to be ripe. I'm gonna mash them. Add your sugar. Mix it nicely. In this we are gonna add our milk. Mix this. I'm gonna add my vanilla. I'm gonna add my cream. Mix your cream. This is our flour. This is the baking soda which we have used. I'm gonna mix with this. Add your cinnamon to your flour. I'm gonna sieve this all in this. Now I'm gonna add my oil slowly in this. First I'll incorporate half of it. You don't have to mix too much. It is just that you're using your whisk as a spatula and you are just folding it. You are not whisking it. I'm gonna add more oil. This is the time I'm gonna ditch my whisk and I'm gonna use my spatula. See, this is how your batter looks. Make sure the oil you added is already been folded. And now the secret ingredient, I'm gonna add some nuts in this. I have taken some hazelnuts and almonds and they are roasted. Now I'm gonna chop them. Add your nuts. Wow, look at this. This looks good. Okay. Now I'm gonna fill my piping bag and pour this into my muffin liners. Your piping bag. Fill up your piping bag. Cut it. If there are nuts, so cut it big. Fill them about 60%. Now I am gonna bake them at 160 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. So after 35 minutes, my banana muffins cupcakes are baked. They are ready. Now I will let it cool down at the room temperature for about 10 to 15 minutes. Dust some icing sugar over the banana muffins. They look good. Enjoy them with your family and friends. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Happy baking, guys.